this is going to be a super informal video, but I really wanted to do this really quickly. I'm actually leaving New York and going to Connecticut right now, but I thought about the fact that with locs, there are certain necessities that you just have to travel with, and I just wanted to share with you guys some of mine, some travel items that I use to cater to my hair or cater for my hair. I was not planning on getting my hair done, and I just kind of threw some things in my packing cubes. So I guess it's also a lifestyle tip. Packing cubes are a game changer, guys. I'm such a big proponent for or supporter of packing cubes. They just keep your suitcase looking less like a trash bag. And you just know where everything is. So this was my packing cube with all my loc items. So the things that I packed are, I traveled with this. First of all, this was just a cap, but it's satin lined, and I wore that in the air when I was coming. And then I also packed satin lined slap cap. I believe I packed 2 of those because it's really cold here in New York. And some scrunchies, edge control or edge wrap situation, my head tie. Packed a long head tie. I don't know, I always like change mine out every couple days because I usually sweat a lot in my sleep, so I don't want to like transfer the germs. So yeah, I have a couple of like nightly bonnets or sleeping coverings for sleeping just because of that. So I have just the regular silk one as well. I mean, you don't need all of this for sure, but just have my makeup stuff in here too. But I definitely carried some head wraps, more hair ties, and I usually use the hair ties in the shower because I don't travel with a shower cap, and ever since I've gotten locs, I've just not had to deal with that. Or felt like I needed to deal with having a shower cap. But yeah, now that my hair is done, I probably won't be able to wear my slap caps to the airport, but yeah, there's that. And because I knew that I was coming to see my mom, she has already ordered the Vita Naturals Hydrating Rose Water Mist and also the Aloe and Avocado Natural Hair Oil. You guys know I talk about this line so much. This is the line that I'm using for my 90-day challenge. So thank God she already had those products. I didn't have to worry about packing them, but I think that if I wasn't coming to her house, I would just really throw this in just like so, and have this also in my packing cube. I'm not going to be able to zip it because I'm using one hand for the camera, but this is what my packing cube looks like. It just keeps everything so organized, so together. You just know where everything is. It can like even organize like all your underwear items, and then like your tops and your shorts and your tops. I mean, it just keeps everything organized. And I keep color-coded items too, because I kept my stuff and all the kids' stuff in here. So the pink is for my baby girl and the blue is for my boy, and then I kept the white for myself. So yeah, packing cubes are the truth. They make life so much easier. Another pro tip with packing cubes is that they can fit into your purse. And this is especially for moms. You can put your packing cube with just a couple diapers, wipes, your baby ointment or baby diaper cream in your purse. And this purse is a good size purse. And it's still so discreet. I found that with my second baby, I wanted some semblance of my life back, and that included not walking around with a diaper bag. And I found that using the packing cubes in just one of my regular purses was such a game changer and helped me feel less clunky and bulky and just actually fashionable going out. This is just a pro tip for just when you're making like a quick stop, maybe to the grocery store or Target, and you just don't want to bother with carrying a big old diaper bag, the baby, the stroller, you know, all the things. You know, your purse fits in here, your phone. It's just so much more convenient to me than carrying around a big clunky diaper bag. I mean, I know that there are cute diaper bags out there, but I just felt like I didn't want to invest in them, especially since I know that this is just a season of life, and I know that I have bags that I've been using for years that I love, that are my go-tos, that kind of fit the season or a look that I'm going for, and I just didn't want to have to invest in another bag that's only for a very short season. They're only in diapers for a very short time, and then after that, like, what do you do with this bag that you spent how much X amount of dollars on? So yeah, that's a pro tip with the packing cubes, that they also can fit into any bag that you already have, and it's just an easy way to still have a semblance of your former self. I feel like that's really the important part for me, still having a semblance of my former self, and knowing that, hey, you're gonna return there at some point, but for right now, this is your season, and it is what it is. Enjoy it while you can. All right, that's it. Yeah, so I hope that was helpful for you guys thinking about or traveling with locs. Again, this lifestyle is so minimalistic. It is amazing. You probably don't even need all those head ties, but I'm just extra like that. But otherwise, I mean, it's so easy breezy. I mean, there are no whole bunch of products that you need to take. I think if I was going to a place that wasn't home, I would definitely maybe take just a travel size shampoo, just in case I decided to get in the water or do some kind of physical activity that involved mud. I don't know. I would definitely just carry like a travel shampoo. Don't need a towel, don't need any hair drying devices, no flat irons, no blow dryers, none of that. So if you're traveling with locs, this is another reason to lock up, honey. Travel is easy. All right, see you guys in the next one.